Ever pondered the intricacies of political dynamics in Zimbabwe? Today, we delve into a captivating narrative surrounding two prominent figures, Christopher Mutsvangwa and Dr. President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. Christopher Mutsvangwa, renowned for his service as the special advisor to the president, has been a key player in the political landscape of Zimbabwe. On the other hand, Dr. President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, the current president of Zimbabwe, is a figure of considerable influence and power. Now, a question has arisen. Was Christopher Mutsvangwa really dismissed by Dr. President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa? To clarify, there have been rumors circulating about a possible dismissal of Christopher Mutsvangwa. These rumors have created a buzz, leading to speculations and assumptions. However, it's crucial to separate conjecture from fact. The truth is, as of now, there is no official confirmation or documentation that suggests Christopher Mutsvangwa has been fired by Dr. President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. While rumors and speculations can be intriguing, they can also lead to misinformation if not substantiated by concrete evidence. What we know for sure is that Christopher Mutsvangwa has been an influential figure in the political sphere of Zimbabwe, and his relationship with Dr. President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa has been of significant interest to observers. However, until there is official confirmation, any claim about Mutsvangwa's dismissal remains speculative. In summary, the rumors about Christopher Mutsvangwa's dismissal by Dr. President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa remain just that, rumors. Without any official confirmation or solid evidence, it's impossible to validate these claims. It's always vital to rely on verified information when discussing such matters. Remember, politics can be a complex and ever-changing landscape. What remains constant is the need for accurate information and understanding. So, while we continue to observe and analyze, let's ensure that we base our discussions on facts, not speculations.